Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are making the smash burger tacos. So we're gonna start off with the sauce. Go ahead and put some mayonnaise in there. You're gonna add some ketchup. You're gonna add some. I did Dijon mustard. You do, I guess, any kind of brown mustard or mustard. You're gonna do some salt, and then you're gonna add in some garlic powder. I did some onion powder. You can throw in some Cajun seasoning, and you're gonna throw in relish, and then you're gonna go ahead and mix it all together, and kind of see where the consistency's at, and add more stuff if you need to. So like right here, I mix it, and then I'm gonna add some more ketchup. I'm gonna add some more mustard, and I'm gonna throw some more seasonings in there as well, just to get the taste to where I like it. But it's all personal preference, so get it to where you like it, and go ahead and throw it in the fridge until the burgers or the tacos are done, to add it on last. But yeah, you see me add some more in, and then just put in the fridge. And then for the burgers, there's two ways to do it. You can put them in balls and then put the tortilla on top and smash it on the Blackstone or grill, whatever you're cooking it on. I went ahead and just smashed them out and then added seasoning to them straight onto the tortilla, and just threw seasoning on it. That way was just a little bit easier for me. I probably should have mixed the seasoning in with the hamburger meat. I kind of figured I should have, but I didn't do it anyways, and it kind of crisped the top up a little bit more than I would have liked. But they were still good anyway, so just did it the easy way, the quicker way. So after like 3-4 ish minutes, go ahead and flip them back over, um, or until whenever they're done cooking, depending on how thick yours are. And then when they're sitting on top like that, you can throw whatever else you want on top of them. So I did some onions on mine, and then Domers doesn't eat onions, so she didn't get onion on hers. And then I put cheese on them as well to go ahead and start melting up some of the cheese. So here we are throwing cheese on top of it just to melt some of it up. These were pretty good. I'm not a huge fan of like stuff like this. I don't really like hamburgers or anything like that anyways, that like I make. But they were still good, but it's just not like a huge personal preference for me to eat stuff like this. I did it just because Dom Reese was kind of craving it. But when they're done and everything's crispy, you can go back and throw your sauce onto it. It is basically just like a Thousand Island dressing, that we just made ourselves, that we did. But I'm gonna throw lettuce on mine as well. Domrish just wanted basically the meat, cheese, and sauce. She didn't want anything else, so I just put this on just mine. And this is what they look like. But try it out yourself, see if you like it. But yeah, thank you for watching.